This week Parashat Eikev. Very interesting question in Parashat Eikev that everybody has this question from himself. Everybody is asking, what does Hashem want from me in my life with all of this struggle and challenges? And what is the essence of what HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants from a person? Now in this week Parasha, Moshe Rabbeinu tells us, what does Hashem want from us? Moshe Rabbeinu tells us, V'ata Yisrael, Nav Yisrael, Ma Hashem Elokecha Shoel Me'emav. What does Hashem ask from you? Hashem wants you to fear Him, to go on His way, to love Him, to serve Him with all of your heart and all of your soul, to watch His command and His decrees that I command you today. The Tov, that should be good for you. Whatever that Hashem wants, finally, it's something that's good for you. It's not good for Hashem. It's not something that benefits Hashem. Hashem loves it, likes it, but it's good Tov. But now, basically, what does Hashem want from us? Always Chachamim, they have a lens to see in the Pasuk, to explain the Pasuk for us. The Pasuk is also, from the Pasuk you see that Hashem wants everything. Hashem wants you to have Yira, to fear Him, to love Him, to go all of the dracha, to keep all of the mitzvot, and love Him from all of your heart, from your soul, and keep all of the mitzvot. Everything wants. But what's the master key? If somebody would ask, what's the master key to get to everything? Now, Chachamim comes to the picture. Chachamim gives us the master key. What's the master key? There's a very interesting drasha from Chachamim. Chachamim says that Ma Hashem Elokecha Shoel Me'emav says Ma Hashem Elokecha Shoel Me'emav. What does Hashem want from you? Chachamim tell us, don't read it Ma, read it Me'ah. Really, Hashem wants from you 100 blessings. Person is chayav, obligated everybody to make 100 blessings every day. Through tefillah, through what we do during the day, and with all of the brachot that we make during the day, hopefully we do all of these 100 brachot, 100 blessings. Now, Hashem asks, what do you mean? Come on and tell us that Hashem wants 100 brachot blessings, but really Hashem wants all of this list. What does it mean that Hashem wants only 100 blessings? No, the takon of the blessing came from the time of David HaMelech. David HaMelech, the time of the Melech, there was a famine that 100 people died per day. David HaMelech, the takon that everybody should make 100 blessings. What does 100 blessing has to do with 100 people dying every day? The death comes about because of lack of appreciation. Blessing is appreciating what HaKadosh Baruch Hu does for a person. Once we count on all blessings and we understand and realize Hatov HaKadosh Baruch Hu, then HaKadosh Baruch Hu gives us full of brachot and blessing. Lord David HaMelech saw that to stop the famine, to stop not having shefa bracha, what do we have to do? We have to recognize our own blessing, to be thankful, to show gratitude. Therefore, Me'ah brachot is gratitude. Chachamim tell us there is a road to get to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, to do whatever that you have to do. But what's the master key? Gratitude. To have appreciation, to have gratitude for the HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Once we have gratitude toward Hashem, we appreciate what Hashem does for us. Little by little, we fear Him, we like Him, we're going to cover all of the mitzvot. Somebody who doesn't have appreciation, gratitude toward the HaKadosh Baruch Hu, he keeps all of the Torah mitzvot, but there is no base for it. He would lose everything. Base, Chovat HaLevavot tells us, the base and foundation for all of the mitzvot, and the person becomes Eved of Hashem, is gratitude, Hakradatov. My menahel of yeshiva, if somebody his greatest sin, he would say still he would be part of the yeshiva. But somebody who didn't have gratitude, they have a gratitude, it's not worth. He's not good. Once Rav Aharon Kotler, at the end of the after Sukkot, they had only one room for the yeshiva, one bed, and two bachurim came, and Rav Aharon saw them. They are coming to his office from through window. He saw them. Two bachurim were coming, and it was at the end of this. It was after Sukkot, and the sechach of the Sukkot were on the ground. He saw one of them went around, the other one stepped on the sechach and came in. And both they were tested to be accepted to yeshiva. Rabbi was genius and was very smart. The other one was average. And Rabbi Aaron chose the average one. Everybody was there, was amazed. How come he's choosing the average one, not the one that's very smart? He says that because he stepped on his schach. Therefore, even that the kedusha is no mitzvah, but the feelings that the person has not to respect the schach and step on it, that's that gratitude, that appreciation for the mitzvah, is not going to become somebody right. This is the base of our avodah. Therefore, here Moshe Rabbeinu is telling us, if we want to be able to Hashem in any aspect of our life, we have to show gratitude. First of all, we have to be an example. Then once we have an example, our children learn from us. Then if you want to hire somebody, in shidduch, somebody has gratitude, somebody doesn't have gratitude, whatever, no matter what great the person is, it's nobody or not. Therefore, the master key to success, to go the road of Baruch Hu, to love him, to fear him, and to be tabuch to Hashem completely, is showing gratitude for any small thing that we get from anybody. Once we make ourselves sensitive toward everybody, we get it from Baruch Hu also, and this is the way to get to greatness.